functions, the C language is accompanied by a number of library functions or built-in functions that carry out various commonly used operations or calculations. Similarly, C also supports user-defined functions that could be written and reused. For example, the user can define a function named area of circle int variable. This function would be defined in a way that accepts the radius as an int variable and returns the area as an int. Let's look at the list of the common library functions in C. These are some of the library functions which are commonly used in C language. Abs I is a library function which is used to return the absolute value of I, where I is any integer. Ceil D is a function which rounds up the next integer value. It returns the smallest integer, that is, greater than or equal to D. Cos D is a function that returns the cosine of D. Exp D returns the value of E raised to the power of D, where E is a Napierian constant. Fabs D returns the absolute value of D, where D is double value. Floor D is the library function which rounds down the value of D to the next integer value, that is the largest integer that does not exceed D. GetChar is the function which allows the user to enter a character from the standard input device. Log D returns the natural logarithm of D. Pow D1 D2 function is the value of D1 raised to the power of D2. Putchar C function sends a character to the standard output device. Rand D is the function which returns a random positive integer. Sin D is the library function which gives the value of sine of D. Sqrt D is the function which returns the square root of D. Tan D returns the tangent of D. ToAsCiiC is a library function which converts the value of the argument to ASCII. Here are few more examples. These are some examples of library functions present in C. In the first example, the square root function is used, which returns the square root of the given number, which is 10 for